Hey everybody, Merry Christmas. We're just a couple hours away from it. It's Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2017. Osirus Twits here for Ascendtrading. Just quickly gonna go over one of the trades that we're in. Saya, gorgeous trade for us. We're in this, as you can see from the notes, 126 through to 133. Our first target was 261, so that's been hit. So we're out of that now. We're like literally sitting on free coins. So next target for us is 350 and 420 after that. If you look at the chart right here, you can see the trend line that it's on. It's following this trend line. It's gorgeous. We've been in this one for such a long time. I gotta squish this chart down to show us our entry, but you can see that trend line all the way from here to here. It's just basically just following that trend, and just gorgeously going up for us all the way, like I said, from 126 133 entry right here is 131. Look at that trend line. So if you got in that trend line, there was no reason to get stopped out. So literally we rid this for a full 100%. Took about a week. A lot of people are gonna be like, oh yeah, you're just making that up. Okay, well, our chat room, right there, you can see our chat conversation about it. This is my watch list that we actually had. So HMQ, we had Ardar, Metal, Pay, Zen, love Zen, love it. Neo, also got affection for Neo. Salt, Miko, SC and Qtum, you know what I mean? Like we had those, RCN and DOGE. DOGE has been moving, and that's been on our pulled that off the scanner a week ago. So all these are entries, and you know what I mean. You don't gotta go in huge and heavy, you know what I mean. But if you can keep getting 100% winners, and you have a spread risk portfolio of 10 tickers that you like to trade, come into an entry on, and you spread your risk out over 10 names, you only realistically need one or two of those to go big, and then they'll cover any mistake you could make on the other ones. But because you're 10% of your portfolio, right? So that's how you diversify your risk. So that's that. Great trade for us right now. Like I said, we're on free coins. Looking for that next target of 350. Just take a look at this Binance. Oh, love Binance right now. Look at this bread for a trade. Right now, the great entry was way back here at 1240, 12,460. So that was missed. Took a small position here on this double pullback. Just got in right here. And just sitting here waiting. I'm actually hoping for this to pull back more, so I actually can get some sizing. Like I actually have 15% of what I would normally take it. If I would have got into this at near this bottom on this reversal right here, I would have been in full size. So I'm only in 15% of my size here. So this unfortunately has kept going up before it pulled back. So I'm probably not going to get much size in this one. But you know what? It doesn't matter the size you have in it. If you keep getting 100% wins or even 10% wins, you just keep taking profit. You keep increasing your account. So that's what I'm sitting at right now on this one here. It's almost about 3 times the ICO price, 2.5, 3 times the ICO price. So it's a little bit pricier because I missed the ICO, but like I said, it's moving. So you know, if I just get enough of a pullback, I can get entered some size on it, and we'll see where it goes. But I like these ones that come out after an ICO and keep moving. It means that there's value there, that people were interested in that. And it just didn't, for whatever reason, like myself, maybe didn't see the ICO in time and completely missed it. So that's right. I like that one. I'll look at coin market cap here, guys. Just go over some coins, do a quick refresh on this. So Bitcoin right now is down 1.8%. We got Ethereum up 8%. That's really strong. I like that. Bitcash is down almost twice as much as Bitcoin at 3.5. Ripple's pulled back. It's down 7%. But Ripple's still over $1. Remember before we took a Ripple trade around 69 cents. Again, another 100% winner on Ripple that we took, and we're on free coins on Ripple. Litecoin, like some of the guys in our group are in this, they're up 500, 600% on this. They're ridiculous. It's only down 0.5%. And we got Cardano, ADA, or ADA is actually what it is called. And they're down 3.4%. I like this technology. I call this that Gen 2.5 platform. It's an improved contract platform. So it's a better Ethereum is what the idea on this one is. And they actually have some news coming down the pipeline. So this is actually something to be on watch for. If we can get a nice pullback for an entry, I would definitely say get into this. Again, this is not investment advice. This is just what I'm doing and what guys in our group at Ascendtrading are doing. And if you want to join us and get some of these alerts a little earlier, or join part of the discussion, it's flashing right there at the bottom. Come in and join us. There's a week free trial that they're doing right now, guys. You can just come in and join us for a week and see how we trade these technical indicators and just be part of our community. It's all about trading social there. We got IOTA, and that's only down just over 0.5%. It's up over 0.5%. Trading around $3.40 right now, which is a very nice price for that. Dash is still booming. It's down, but nothing to worry about on that one. Actually, none of these coins are anything to worry about. The prices are down. Realistically, this is crypto, and if you can't handle 15 to 20% swings up and down, then this is maybe not the right area for you to be in. NEM is really going. That's a nice one. Bitcoin Gold. It's another GPU mineable coin. It's there. Monero. We've actually got a fork off Monero, Electronium. That's actually doing quite well also. It's that privacy coins. Everyone knows I love my privacy coins. That's why I'm in hollow mode on ZEN Cash. I like the anonymous publishing, the transactions. I just think it's just a better version of Zcash. And I like where their mindset is by making the nodes only 43 to 45 coins to host a node. Really allows it to be completely decentralized, and that's Zen. And Verge, it's still holding strong. This has moved a lot, so we expect some consolidation in this area, and it should move. Tron, very happy with my entry on Tron. Notice Tron was down a lot today. I actually got a nice size entry on this one. I like where this project's going, so we're going to hold this one and see where this one goes for us. We got NXT and Ardar. The airdrop is in 2 days or 3 days, I believe. If you're seeing this at Christmas, it would be in 3 days for next. And once that airdrop comes, it's supposed to be the baby or like the first child on the Ardar platform. So that's going to be very, very nice for Ignis. And there's Zcash. Zcash is down 5% today, but it's had a big move. This has gone up almost, I want to say 40% in such a short little while. Realistically, it's gone to the value that it should have been at a long time ago, which is why I'm so bullish on Zen Cash, because Zen Cash improves upon all the assets that Zcash has. So I'm looking for Zen to have a pretty big move in the next while coming up. I personally can see Zen in the $100 to $120 range. I can really see Zen being there, which makes sense with Zcash now being $5.25. We had a big move from Misago today. Very, very big move. A lot of guys are liking that platform. A lot of them are happy about that. BitShares, a decent move. BitConnect down 16%. Again, guys, if you remember, we had the discussion on BitConnect just yesterday actually, and with Bitcoin only down 1%, BitConnect, if it was pegged to Bitcoin, shouldn't be down that much. But what's happening is the realization is that people are not going to overpay for these tokens anymore. They've come to the realization that you're only hedging your trades against Bitcoin when Bitcoin is up. When Bitcoin is down like it did on this serious pullback, you're stuck waiting for your money to come back to you because you're hedged for a fall, which is great, but it means you can't buy the dip. And buying the dip has made people want ranges of 30 to 50% in days. So Populous, I'm not in this. Some guys like that. I'm not a big fan of the Waves platform. It's just something I'm just not interested in. We got Stratus and Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a big move today. Big move. It's one of those privacy coins, guys. You know I love my privacy coins. And Tether is just basically pegging the US dollar to a crypto. The issue about Tether is there's so much talk that they keep printing more and more coins, and those coins aren't getting burned after usage. So, and then on top of it, you've got a premium, and that premium is basically going to give you a few percent loss on changing to use that as a hedge for your cash. So. And Dogecoin, that's up 54%. Like I said, we had that on our scanner last week, exactly a week ago. It was moving. Siacoin, it's done wonderful for us also. So that's it for my top 33 coins. Gonna look at Zencash, see how Zencash is doing today. It's down 0.29%, which is trading at 43.17 right now, and it's up 1.2% against Bitcoin. So I really like this coin. Like I said, anonymous publishing, you have the payments, and you can just basically, if you wish, because the Zen ZK Snarks that's in it, you can actually send this from a private wallet to a private wallet, and there's no trace, zero knowledge on the payment. So I really like that aspect of it. And you've got your public ones, but as I said in earlier videos, that if you're going to be using it for its purpose, please, when you take it from an exchange and you send it to that public wallet, then send it to a private wallet. Don't send it back to a public wallet. It's got to go to a private wallet next. Otherwise, it's just basically like, oh, where'd it go? Okay, there's that payment again. Okay. So use it for what it's intended, and if you're gonna pay me, definitely send it to my private wallet. So that's what I got for a wrap up, guys. Keep this short. Just want to make sure I got my video a day in, and want to wish you guys a happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Take care of yourself, guys. Osirus Twitch for Ascendtrading. See you guys tomorrow.